Good day, everybody. Welcome to you to attend this meeting. I'm Tony Wang, comes from ZTE Corporation. Today, my topic is ZTE Common Core Experience Sharing. In today's topic, I would intend to introduce what is ZTE Common Core Solution, where does our Common Core Solution deployed in, and what can the Common Core Solution benefit in your projects. Nowadays, we know the pace of 5G network is coming. Various industries are full of expectation for 5G network. So how to solve the coexistence of multiple network models, how to avoid the repeated investment of 4G EPC and 5GC, and how to solve the increasingly complicated operation and maintenance. This is an important issue facing operators in deploying 5G core networks. In response to those problems, ZTE proposed the Common Core Solution, which is oriented to 5G. You may refer to the slides that ZTE Common Core meets the full access and the full integration of 2G, 3G, 4G, 5G, and fixed network as well. The solution is based on 3GPP R15 service-based architecture and cloud-native construction, including convergent user data, policy control, control plane, and the data plane. Firstly, through the fully convergent network design, the target network topology is simplified. Network element interoperability will be reduced, and external signaling is transformed into internal signaling. When the 5G network is handed over, it greatly reduces the signaling pressure caused by the network handover, thereby increase the entire network KPI about 20%. Secondly, the operators can flexibly deploy standalone, LAN standalone, and standalone and LAN standalone dual mode in the same network according to their own network requirements in one step, avoiding multiple network upgrades and transformations, and directly reach the 5G target network, reducing the investment about 40%. And the third, based on the DevOps, continuous integration and continuous delivery, new services can be launched quickly by artificial intelligence-based network self-optimization and autonomy at the same time. It will simplify the network operation and maintenance. The network and maintenance efficiency has been increased by more than 2 times. To summarize, ZTE Common Core helps operators achieve rapid deployment and commercialization of 5G through simplified network design, one-step target architecture, and simplified operation and maintenance based on artificial intelligence. Okay, let's get into the first case of our Common Core deployment. In the progress of the network transformation, Vodafone Idea in India chose the ZTE's Common Core to deploy for VEPC network and virtualize the session border controller network into their network in 4 areas. ZTE proposed the Common Core solution has high performance and a large capacity characteristic. It supports up to 1 Tbps through output with dual 25G NIC and single root our virtualization technology to meet Vodafone Idea large capacity and massive data forwarding through output requirements. You can see Red Hat, Vim, and Hypervisor is also introduced based on the open ETSI NFV architecture. HP and ZTE hybrid hardware resources pool were selected to reduce CapEx. In other words, the Common Core solution is fully decoupled. The strategic cooperation between ZTE and Red Hat guarantees that system integration can work well at the delivery level. Through pre-integration work in ZTE Open Lab, many problems were discovered in advance and resolved in time. Later, in actual deployment, the auto integration center tools will be fully used. Only a few problems left, thereby reducing the risk of multi-vendor integration and realizing rapid deployment for Vodafone Idea. The common core CUPS architecture, control plane and user plane separation architecture, is easy for regional deployment for this kind large and distributed network. And Mac, mobile agent computing deployment will be also qualified in the future. In this case, with a summary, ZTE Open Common Core Solution in this project embrace the third-party costs and Vim have wider vendors to make more convenient for the network evolution of the customers. The second case I will share you is the end-to-end ZTE Common Core Solution in Hitchisund, Austria. It includes hardware, Vim, VNF, and manual. All of them are from ZTE. ZTE has more than 10 years cooperation history with Hitchisund, Austria since 2010. We both parties achieved #1 in P3 test for many times during our cooperation. Now, ZTE has provided the common core solution to make the network digital transformation successfully in Hitchisund, Austria. Talking about the migration of traditional CS core, PS core, and the other networks to the ZTE Tex cloud platform. The IMS provided by a third party has also been cut over. The new fixed mobile convergent ICS network has been complicated, which improves the user's voice experience. In the meantime, ZTE also acted as primary system integrator to host many third-party applications into ZTE cloud platform, such as showed in the slices: VPN application S, UCC application server, routing service application server, etc. This project shows the openness of ZTE Common Core solution to third-party application as well. This openness will greatly help the operator to innovate the services as they could, to grab the business opportunity as soon as possible. The third case is the China Mobile. In April this year, they have announced the result of centralized procurement of new 5G SA core network equipment in 2020. For the public-oriented to customer network, ZTE adopts common core solution to win the bid for nearly 30% shares of 20 provinces in 6 regions. For the industry-oriented to business network, ZTE won the bid for 35 shares in 31 provinces, which demonstrated ZTE's industry-leading strengths in the 5G standalone core network. After this project is completed, it will become the world's largest 5G standalone network. During this project, more than 3,200 items of 5G tests had been finished in the project in function, performance, network management, slicing, security, networking, IoT, etc. Right now, there are some common ideas that the future growth of 5G will be mainly in the industry area. To cater for this, ZTE has prepared a simplified user plane function solution for China Mobile to business networks to facilitate flexible deployment in edge sites. ZTE Common Core simplified UPF solution with the minimum number of single server free of switches can support the lower cost deployment. with the characteristic of factory pre-debugging, unpacking and immediately use, plug and play. In terms of network function customization, lightweight on cloud platform and edge enhancement are implemented in accordance with local application features to achieve the dedicated functions. The maintenance interfaces are simplified remotely, even in an untended environment. The dedicated integrated hardware on the site can adapt to various complex indoor and outdoor environments or even underground environments, achieving the flexible and fast deployment purpose. To sum up, ZTE's simplified UPF solution can help enterprises and industry park users to use their application in local closed-loop process, provide low-cost and professional 5G industry service with reliable products. Further, to improve the competitiveness of space and costs to meet the diverse requirements of industry customers. Another best practice in China market is our Mac mobile agent compute cloud game project together with Tencent Game and Chinese Guangdong Mobile. We all know the end user fluency experience is the first priority concern in big video gaming. How to provide low latency from the remote game server to the end user. In this project, ZTE Common Core is acting as a Mac platform to host task, Tencent Smart Edge connector, specific UPF and video acceleration rendering applications. It also provides a low latency network slice to the end user, which guarantee the local video acceleration and game rendering between Mac and end user. To compare the two scenarios on Mac Cloud and directly serviced from remote game server, the latency is only cost 6 to 10 milliseconds, while remote cloud costs more than 30 minimum second latency. Great improvement on low latency with the collaboration Mac Edge Cloud and the public cloud created the best online game experience with the high quality. It is believed in the future, commercial mode, this kind of application will attract more users to attend the service and gain more revenue for both game and mobile operators. ZTE is focusing to build an open and a win-win ecosystem. We had won many awards in recent years for our outstanding products and solutions. 5G slicing wholesale solution, leading contribution to network slicing in 2019 5G World. 5G-oriented core network evolution solution, the best Telecom Digital Transformation Award in 2019 Middle East and Africa 5G Summit. Slice Store for Mac, the greatest commercial potential for edge computing concept award in 2019 Edge Congress. Common Edge Solution, 5G Excellency in 2019 SDNF World Congress. There are many other words there is no time to mention. Why does our Common Core solution can achieve such great records? Because our company has actively participated in the construction of open source communities since 2012 and contributes to build an open industry ecosystem. We are the platinum members, gold members, silver members, and make outstanding contributions in Ceph, Kubernetes, Docker, and other communities. ZTE is the platinum member of Linux Foundation Networking, LFM, which includes OpenNFV, ONAP, Open Daylight, FDIO, etc. We are a leading contributor to Ceph, Kubernetes, and Docker. On Ceph, ZTE's commit is ranked third in the world. On OpenNFV, ZTE ranked fourth in the world in the number of commit contributions. Docker community, ZTE's commitment contribution ranks fourth in the world. And the Kubernetes community, ZTE's core component commit contribution ranks third in the world. 2019, the world-leading consultant company, Wang, now it is called Omidia, raised ZTE as a leading supplier in their white paper for the 5G core network. At last, we must say ZTE will be your strategic partner on 5G area. We believe that ZTE Common Core product will provide you a broader and ultimate interactive platform for our partners whose aim is at building a digital mobile network. ZTE is proud to collaborate with you and looks forward to share our experiences to enhance the mobile connectivity and accelerate the digital economy development for you. So that's all for my today's introduction. Thank you very much.